screwed up my intro. Blah, blah, blah. Let's go ahead and get that camera facing down. There we go. And recording in 3. Recording in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Crazy Goalie here, bringing you a little unboxing. Sorry for no Friday upload, so this video for Saturday today is going to replace it. Basically what happened is during the recording on 3 of my videos for Attack on Titan, the file was corrupted. The editing, the software skipped at some points and actually cut out a majority of the footage. So I have to re-record 3 episodes of Attack on Titan, and we will go ahead and resume with Attack on Titan on Monday. So I'm going to record this. So this will be your little bonus video and stuff like that. So basically what I have here today is a Pokemon Mystery Power Box. It comes with 5 booster packs and 2 coins. So, and in every 1 in 50 boxes, there is a, you look for a vintage mystery pack. Find 1 randomly inserted first edition packs. And apparently these are the vintage packs right here. Let me take this wrapper off real quick, actually. That way you don't have that glare. Number 1. And what I'm really looking for, I'm not really looking for anything specific. I am looking for Ryu. The evolvation of Lucario, or excuse me, the basic to Lucario. Reason I'm looking for that is because my girlfriend loves Lucario. It's her favorite Pokemon. So, here we go. These are the vintage packs, apparently. Right there. So, and the reason I say her favorite is Lucario, I went out and bought 10 booster packs for her. I didn't record it because she doesn't like being recorded, number 1. Number 2, and these are the things that we pulled from it. These are the best cards that I pulled from that set. So, let's go ahead and go over this. And my autofocus is not focusing at all. Like, look. Focus on me. There we go. So I manually focused it. So, these are a couple full arts that we pulled. You got Seismitoad. Put him in a sleeve because it's full art. Why not? Got 2 things out of there as well. 2 full art trainers. Fossil Researcher and Professor Sycamore. And we never pulled this one, but we did pull this one on my last pack. On the 5th and final pack, I did pull that. A Mega Lucario. She was a very happy person when I pulled that. And then I also pulled that one. The regular Lucario. So now we only need is Ryu. So, that is the only card we need. So, I'm hoping maybe in this little box, there is going to be that. So, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is, number 5 is on the front. And it also comes with 2 coins. There's our 5th pack right there. Take that out real quick. So, our 2 coins are going to be 2 Pikachus. Let's flip that one around. There we go. 2 Pikachus. So, those are our 2 coins. And what did we get for packs? Well, that's pretty awesome. Alright, so we got Ancient Origins, as you saw on the front. 2 black and white. Dang it. Try that again. 2 black and white. Let's see. Legendary treasures. These are very good packs. If you go online on like Amazon and stuff like that, the booster pack case for these is selling for like $150. They hold some great cards in them. A normal XY breakthrough and Phantom Forces. So hopefully we can pull something nice out of this little box. So what I'm going to do is move my headphones. I don't wear my headphones during recording anymore. We're going to see what we got. And camera down. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and just pull out one of these. That way we can focus on it so it comes out clear. There we go. How's that? Nice and clear? Looks good. Perfect. So, what one should we start out with? I'm going to say these to the side, because those are usually the best ones. Sorry, just got home from work. Let's go with Phantom Forces first. So I'm opening these instead of her. That way, hopefully, she can get something cool. Basically, I'm doing it for myself. And so if she gets some Oriolu, good. Ooh, got a Kingler. Target Whistle. Steel Shelter. How the fuck do you say that name? Rog and Rolla. I'm gonna call him Rog. A Rog. Bunnelby. Skarmory. Oh, one more. Alamomola. And here is our, not a rare, but our, close to rare, a Dedenne, which is a fairy type. Here's our shiny, a Mightyena, and a rare is a Explode. I don't know how I feel about the Explode. I do like the Mightyena though, because I do like Poochyena. Poochyena was a really cool Pokemon. Next, we're gonna go with Breakthrough. I thought about Ancient Origins, but then I decided to go with Breakthrough. So, hopefully you guys did not see that code. Alright. 1, 2, 3. And bring those up to the front. So, what do we got here? A town map. Oh, let me hold this better. There we go. Town map. Behelm. Beham. I don't know who it is. Grenville. Paris. Pansia. Oh, Axew. Remoraid. Oh, Pikachu. I love Pikachu. Favorite Pokemon ever. That's going to me. Flabebe? Oh, and there's a rare. This was actually a shiny. I didn't notice it. And there's our rare. Xerneas. That's a nice little rare right there. Actually, let's put the... And that's a reverse hollow there. Or excuse me, a hollow there. Let's go ahead and pick these up and put our rares with each other. And hollows with each other. Alright. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. Alright, next, Ancient Origins. One, two, three. Forest of the Giant Plants. Oh, Giant Plants, excuse me. Ooh, a Flareon. Very cool art on this Flareon. Very nice. Sceptile Spirit Link. Baltoy. Malamar. Just got done watching an episode on Pokemon with him in it. Goomy. Wooper. Magikarp. Our foil is a Gloom. Ooh. That is a fucking nice pull right there. And our rare is a Kyurem. And it's the white Kyurem. EX. That is fucking nice. Grab the sleeves right now because that is a fucking great card. Great fucking pull there. And it's actually textured. You can actually feel the texture to it, which is awesome. That is a great pull right there. So, now we're down to our next two packs. Legendary Treasures. Hopefully we get to pull a Ryu. Hopefully. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. 3. And here we go. Al-Isa. Altaria. Crushing Hammer. Not 2. Another Magikarp. Different this time. Sewaddle. Tangela. Oh, pulled another Lucario. Well, she's going to be happy about this one. We just need Rylul. So, that's awesome. Got another Lucario. Mark that one. Gallade. And alright. Ooh, it's a full art. It's a full art. Emogla. Very fucking cute. Look at that card. That is a very fucking cute card. That is a very cute card. Look at how cute that is. Fucking adorable. Alright. One last Legendary Treasures. Come on. Ryu. I need you. 3. Alright. Elisa. Palpitoad. Zvelios. Zora. Diano. Gothra. Tangela. Oh, goodness. Yeah, the frickin' thing is glitching out. There we go. Zorok. Kind of cool. Nice little hollow to it, too. See the hollowness to it? Kind of neat. We'll put him right there. That was a rare. These are arranged differently. Melotia and another Pikachu. That's a fucking adorable Pikachu, though. That is fucking cool. Look at that Pikachu. Very nice. Well, no Ryu, which kind of sucks. And by kind of, it seriously sucks. I was hoping for a Ryu this time. But but there is always next time. So, not too bad of polls. Got some good polls on these full arts, especially that Kyurem. That's a great fucking card right there. Really like that. Gonna have to put that in the sleeve immediately. Actually, I think I have an extra sleeve in around here somewhere. Do I have an extra sleeve? Because we're gonna sleeve that sucker right now. If I do. I thought I had one in here. I don't. Nope. I do not. I know I have some extras in my magics. In my magic ones. So, we'll go ahead and do that. But not too bad. Not too bad at all. So, we got an Emogla, which is a nice little rare. Look at that. How pretty that is. Freaking beautiful. We have that. This was the best pull, I think, personally. This Kyurem. Look at that. Kyurem EX. It's textured. You can freaking tell on the card. That is fucking awesome. And this is another good pull. Right here. Xeranos. Come on, focus. Thank you. Not bad. Not bad pulls. I do like them. Not all of them. This was a rare on that last pack, by the way. It was Zerok, which is not bad, but it's not terrible either. Come on, focus. There we go. Not bad. So, I really do like this Pikachu, though. This Pikachu's art. Look at that. Fucking awesome. And adorable. So I got 2 Pikachus out of it. And I do love Pikachu. I have 4 of these fuckers up on my top of my desk up here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Yet again, sorry for no video on Friday, but hopefully this makes up for it on Saturday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like down below, and if you didn't, you know what to do. Hit that dislike button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to my channel, because there's going to be plenty more content like this coming out, and either this or, you know, other things. Plenty of other stuff that I do on the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!